Universal Studios Hollywood is inviting fans back to Hill Valley as part of the inaugural Universal Fan Fest Nights event at the theme park. Destination Hill Valley celebrates Back to the Future by inviting fans to the very set where Back to the Future was filmed in the 1980s. Photo ops abound as you enter the area, but really the star itself is the performance. This is basically a site-specific interactive theater performance of select scenes that take place in Hill Valley in the 1985 film. Sure, you can come in and just enjoy the ambiance of everything, but if you hang around, you'll notice some of the characters appearing onto the stage as they begin the show.
You're listening to Hill Valley Radio. Can't wait to see all you dollies and daddy-os at the Big Bash tonight. Cruise on down to Courthouse and Colorado.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him to lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, someone to hold would be so peachy before we're too old. So please turn on your magic feed. Mr. Sandman, bring us a dream.
Oh yes! Good night, Papa Daddy-O. It's 1 o'clock.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock.
You guys happen to live here? Yes. You do? Right now? Yeah. But you do people normally see you every day? And they live here every day? Every day. Like this? They don't do that when they fill my car. I guess my house is a little different.
Destination Hill Valley invites fans to get in on the action, although I don't know how smart it is to give Marty McFly that sports almanac that's going to cause so much problems when Biff Tannen gets a hold of it in Back to the Future Part 2. Fans are getting together with other fans, or taking advantage of some of Universal's photo opportunities, or just meeting the characters from Back to the Future as they all begin to appear.
Say it, wait.
I don't know. There's something about waiting.
Why are you dressing?
It's loser thinks he's going to drown.
Yeah, what are you? There's no body of water anywhere.
Definitely.
You hear about the flood?
Big fan? I've seen bigger, but
Yeah, well, you know what else? Goldie Wilson was one of my favorite students. I'm sure he could help you out. He's big on education. You got it.
Oh, and a lot of people came up to me and told me, hey,
I heard that this kid was the first.
you practiced your handshake. Oh, my handshake.
no, they're coming on over here.
Too strong. You gotta squeeze back, George. Can someone teach him how to shake a hand? Yeah, I'll help you out. It's real straight.
Oh, no, George, look at George. George.
Oh, I don't think I can take any more of that.
Just
You must be part of Biff's gang.
No.
Are you part of this?
I'm not.
I believe.
I don't.
All right. Let's take you in that super.
But eventually, it's time to get George to the Enchantment Under the Sea dance.
Of Hill Valley High School! Welcome to the Enchantment Under the Sea dance. Now, a lot of work went into this, so we can all thank Miss Barbara Hayes for all of her hard work putting this together. Let me remind everyone that there will be no funny business. There will be no monkey business. There will be no horseplay. And absolutely, positively no slackers. And another thing, I have a whistle and a pocket full of detention slips, and I'm not afraid to use them. Here's the band. You got a real attitude problem.
Good evening, we're Marvin and the Starlighters. We're about to make this a night to remember, so let's get this started now.
Here's a little something for all you lovers out there. You know you are.
Try to keep up.
I'm sorry, that was just too darn loud. Students of Hill Valley High School, due to the incoming storm, the Enchantment Under the Sea dance has been concluded. I will see you all in my office on Monday. You are all dismissed.
Where's that kid? Damn! The old man really came through. It worked. He laid out Biff in one punch. I didn't know he had an enemy. He's ever served to Biff in his life. That's such your destination, Paul. Time circuits on, flux capacitor.
Universal Fan Fest Night continue select nights through May 18th at Universal Studios Hollywood. For more, check us out on themeparkinsider.com.